All right, gentlemen, so is the wristwatch outdated? Has the phone made the watch obsolete? In today's video, we're going to address this. I'm going to talk about the arguments on both sides. You ready, guys? Let's get into it. Argument number one on why the wristwatch is outdated, gentlemen, is because of the smartphone. We've got more people carrying smartphones than wear wristwatches, and when it comes down to it, the smartphone has the time. Why would you carry something that is redundant when you've got a phone right here that has the time? Now hold on, let's look on the flip side. Yes, watches may be redundant if you're just relying on time, but there's also the convenience factor. You got both hands full, you're not gonna be able to reach in your pocket, pull out that cell phone and check the time, but you can do that with the watch. Just flip over, boom, you've got it easy, convenient, quickly. But actually with watches, most people don't buy because of the functionality aspect. They actually buy more of the fashion and they like the look. They like the design of the watch. All right, so another reason you're gonna hear wristwatches are outdated is because phone time is actually more accurate. Whenever you're traveling, the phone is going to update itself. You don't need to adjust the watch. And actually, they're going to be up with atomic time. So they're using GPS to actually stay and be very accurate. All right, so on the wristwatch side, we have to kind of agree, yes, time based off of GPS signals is probably going to be more accurate. But how accurate do we need to be? Because a great mechanical watch is usually only going to be off a couple seconds over the period of a month. Now, a quartz watch is even going to be more accurate. Yes, it may get off by half a second, but another great thing about watches is they don't run out of battery. So whenever you've had that happen, you need to use your cell phone, all of a sudden what? It is dead. These things right here are, quartz batteries, they last for a long time. Mechanical watches, simply by moving or winding them, they are going to stay active. Reason number three that wristwatches are outdated, they are obsolete. Just look at the sales numbers. And for a number of years, we have seen wristwatch sales start to decline, go down, and there's a lot of people talking, hey, this industry is gone. Whoa, but that's not the most accurate data, and we need to break it apart. What we are seeing is fashion watches. Mechanical watches, sales are starting to go back up. It is the smartwatch that continues to have basically slumping sales. And there's one main player in the market nowadays, and people are still questioning, okay, is this something that is ever going to catch on? Now, I can't predict the future, but I do think there's always going to be a market for mechanical and fashion watches. All right, gents, so closing arguments, in my opinion. Do I feel the wristwatch is outdated? No, not at all. In fact, I don't even feel it's really competing with the cell phone. Yes, this can tell time. It can do a lot of other things, but it's not going to replace the watch. The watch, a great watch for a man, is more than just telling time. It's about his relationship with time. A cell phone, it's about communication. And many studies have actually shown that if you have a phone out, you put it out on a table, maybe you answer it while you're talking with someone, you are actually going to form a divide with somebody. A watch, on the other hand, this is about punctuality. Studies have actually shown that you're more likely to be on time when you wear a watch. I find it's a lot more subtle when you're in a meeting, you're talking with people, and you just kind of maybe quickly check your watch to make sure you're on time, but they serve very different purposes, and to me, really are non-competitors. Guys, that's it. Take care. I appreciate you. I appreciate everything we build here at Real Men Real Style. And like I said, go down in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. I'm really curious. Are you a watch lover or you're like, nah, I'm not really into that stuff? All right, guys, take care. I'll see you in the next video.